Can you talk to her? What can you say? Can you talk to her? Get me out of here. Okay.
Now he's saying, get me out of here.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Oh, there's the yawn.
Help me. Help me.
Tired.
You know what's funny? Sometimes he'll scream, and it sounds like he's saying, help me.
Help me. Help me. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I feel like I want to rescue you out of this handcuff.
He likes it. He likes
Handcuff.
It's night time. It's sweet time.
Does he eat? Did he eat?
8 or 9.
Help me. I can't get out of here. Help me. Help me. Help me. I can't get out of here. Someone help him. Someone help him. Get him out of the straitjacket.
No, get on.
He's a tired boy. Yeah. He hasn't slept a lot today. Is Auntie being
Is he eating right, Ellen?
Oh, yeah.
Did you take him to the doctor like every 2 weeks? 2 weeks? Yeah, don't you get a checkup on him every 2 weeks?
You have to go to the doctor?
Every 2 weeks, right? Is he crying for a reason? Maybe crying for a reason.
Tired.
Hey.
Where's his head?
Does anybody like the skin?
No. We're just kidding. No.
No, you eat it.
No.
I was going to say, I see you eating it.
Yeah, but they have, salmon skin as sushi. They roll it up. They use that, right? What do you see?
That's what we had last night.
We didn't have that last time. We didn't order that. We ordered
then we ordered the bad boy roll.
the bad boy roll, and we ordered the
That's horrible, by the way.
spider. Yeah.
Did you like it?
I don't know what I ate. I just ate.
I didn't care for it. It had that funny Thousand Island dressing on it. Ugh.
Look at him. He's staring at that.
Let's look at light.
Yeah. Yeah. His eyes are back and forth as I roll him. See, look at his eyes.
That's good.
He's going to be a tennis player.
Tennis player. Okay, Ellie. Then you don't need to go to college.
Why not?
No, they just play tennis.
Because you need to play tennis. Oh my gosh. We have to go to Vietnam and adopt one like this. They do have one for sale. Yeah. The adoption agency, $20,000 to get a Vietnamese baby.
Yeah, I think there's a 2-for-1 special this month.
There you go.
Seriously, you can. There are people that give up their babies, Ellie, in Vietnam
I know.
for reputation.
Angelina Jolie got a Vietnamese baby.
Yeah, see? What's his name?
Maddox?
Jack? No, Max.
I
No.
don't know.
Maddox is it's the other boy. It's the Cambodian boy.
Cammy.
I thought she got a girl.
No, the Indian girl. The girl's in India from some black country, Africa or something like that.
Cammy.
That was Madonna that tried to do that.
See, yeah, they're all trying to adopt and trying to act like they're all giving the. You want to give to like the Buddhist temple that take care of 150 abandoned kids. Seriously, you want to hold the baby? Underneath.
I had a Cambodian girl I went through World Vision that I was supporting for about 4 or 5 years, and I think I lost her to prostitution.
Oh.
Really?
Yep,
Yikes.
I do.
Did they tell you?
They can't find her,
Oh yeah.
and they kind of insinuated that with these
Yeah, the trafficking.
families that-
It's called human trafficking. Totally.
Sure. Pretty girl.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Tim, now's your chance. Hit Kim up for insurance.
Who, the kid?
Kim.
The kid? Huh?
Kim.
Oh, Kim or the kid? Oh, Kim?
What kind of insurance? Do I need it? Oh, yeah, she